I'm gonna show you how to use the strength of these muscles and these muscles in everyday movements to keep your hips, your knees, and your lower back pain-free all day. Let's turn your everyday movements into back-safe habits. Now, when you go to pick something up, you wanna make sure that your back is straight and your rib cage and your pelvis are in line. Then you're gonna hip hinge first. There's gonna be a slight bend in the knee, and then you're gonna come down further to pick it up. Always make sure that it's close to you and keep that back straight the entire time. Now, I do want to mention that spinal flexion isn't inherently bad, but when you're dealing with lower back pain and muscle imbalances, you want to work on proper squat and proper hip hinging mechanics first. And this is so your body can heal and regain stability before reintroducing things like flexion. So when you focus on proper squatting and hinging movements, it translates to safer lifting for groceries, boxes, and kids. Next, when you get out of a chair, you want to make sure that you're not dumping into the lower back. Spread your legs about hip width apart. Then squeeze those glutes, keep the back straight, and come up. This is gonna help to reduce stress on those knees. Next, we're gonna retrain climbing the stairs. Pretend this is a step. One of the common problems with stepping up are knees caving in. This is due to lack of strength in this muscle right here. As you step up, there's gonna be a slight shift on this leg, but you also wanna make sure that those hips remain square and everything is straight forward. Then when you come up, make sure that your back is straight and it doesn't hunch over or excessively arch. You should squeeze your glutes on the way up to prevent your knee from caving in. This keeps your hips and also your knees in line so that you reduce the stress on those knees. Next, we're gonna practice the suitcase carry. Grab a dumbbell. It doesn't have to be super heavy, but you do wanna have something with a little weight. You wanna make sure that the weight is close to your body. You also wanna make sure that your back is straight. Make sure that you're not tilting to the side. Your goal is to fight that gravity of that one weight. And then take 20 to 30 steps. You wanna practice this holding the weight on each side. These small cues turn every step, stand, and lift into a chance to reinforce proper body mechanics.